What's up, YouTube? I'll put this pipe back together, but I think everyone should take a look at two things. Your drain pipes. If you have a roof, sunroof, moonroof, there's drain pipes. This customer had a complaint. He kept on seeing smoke come out, and every time it rains, and water puddled up all the way down there. And the reason is, check this out. Well, I'm not done with this pipe because the reason is I wanted to show you guys. So water, when it rains, windshield drips the water down, all the water goes through this hole right there. All the water goes through that hole. And check this out. This pipe was hanging right there, just like that. All right, that's the drain pipe right here. And inside, you got a whole bunch of leaves. Even if it was on, it was gonna do no good. But secondly, it was just hanging right there. And it's a quick fix, guys. So this thing takes the water all the way down there, and it shoots it out to the side somewhere. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to vacuum this guy out of there. Okay, so I got my vacuum hooked up over here. I'm sorry about the movement on the camera. So I'm gonna just see if I can suck all that out of there. Most of it is out, but there's still stuff in there. So I'm gonna switch up. That was a vacuum. Now we're gonna put pressure in it. And this guy should just beat everything in there and push everything down the drain. Oh. Oh, this thing is not looking good. All right, I'm gonna face away a little bit. Wow. God damn. It's clogged to the bottom. To the bottom. Really, no pressure is going down. Wow, this is a bad design. Definitely. All right, because the pipe crunches down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down below, maybe shoot it up. Took out the whole drain. What the hell is going on? Let's blow air through this side. So let's back up our camera right there, and we're gonna blow air from this side here. Oh, look at that. See that? All that clunk. All that junk came out of it, all this. All that came out of it. Look at that. Now there's a good airflow. Yeah. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get another clamp, because this is a shitty clamp. And we're gonna put that back together. So I took off that shitty clamp that was here. So here we go. Reverse procedure. So we're gonna put this pipe in just like that, and then I'll put it down there, clamp it up in the bottom as well. So when I got me this little clamp, put it just like that. And try to get it as high as you can. All right, before this clamp falls. Should have got my tool. So let me get my drill. Little things like this can save you thousands of dollars. This guy was gonna go do a tune-up and all kinds of stuff because the car was misfiring, he said. And I have seen cars that get water into the ignition coils, but it can cause other damages as well, not just that. Perfect, that's not going anywhere. Always check your drains. I'm gonna show you a few drains on some of the cars I have here. I got one sitting right there. So this is done. All I need to do is clamp in the bottom. But look at all the dirt and debris that came out. Over time, these things get jammed up. Check out my Evivo, check out my other RCs. But cars have small little drains. Like you see these little leaves? It's like a small tiny hole in there. That lets the water go down. Just simple little things on the roof. You have one here, one there, one in each corner. Once they get clogged up over time, you start to get water dripping on top of your seat, your modules, car modules, everything goes. Anyways, thank you. Subscribe. Bye-bye.